Getting your company data ready for AI is a foundational step that will determine the success or failure of AI initiatives. Without clean, accessible, and well-structured data, even the most powerful AI models won't be effective. Here is a detailed, no-nonsense guide to what this process involves. Whether you're preparing for predictive analytics, generative AI, LLMs, or machine learning models. Do you know what your vision for AI is? Businesses are eager to leverage AI, predictive analytics, generative AI, LLMs, or machine learning. Leaders asking, how do we actually get ready for AI? Or will it work in our situation? They want AI to drive insights, automation, and competitive advantage. Here are some of the most common problems we see. Most AI projects fail not because of the models, but because the data isn't ready or the process is not good for use with AI. Challenges include messy or siloed data, lack of structure, poor accessibility, and potentially a dated workflow. Your risk is wasted investment in AI models that don't deliver results or value. We understand the data foundation required for AI success and how to organize it for your goals. We've helped organizations clean, structure, and prepare data for advanced analytics for over 20 years. We provide practical frameworks to get your company and data AI ready. Some simple steps we follow. We audit and inventory existing data sources. We clean and standardize data for accuracy and consistency. We centralize and break down silos to ensure accessibility across systems. We structure data for AI consumption, metadata, tagging, and normalization. We help implement governance, security, and compliance controls. We show you how to monitor and continuously refine data pipelines. So what can you or your organization expect? More reliable AI insights that drive business decisions. Faster time to value for AI initiatives. Confidence that data is accurate, secure, and compliant. Scalable infrastructure that grows with AI adoption. Give us a call. We can help. Don't risk AI failure by ignoring your data foundation. Start preparing your company today and unlock the full potential of predictive analytics, generative AI, and machine learning.